Hello friends, in this video let me introduce Jupyter Notebook on Anaconda. Anaconda is a distribution of Python and R programming languages for scientific computing, for data science, machine learning application or large scale data processing, predictive analysis. The time to simplify the package management and deployment. The distribution includes data science packages suitable for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. It is developed and maintained by Anaconda Inc., which was founded by Peter Wang and Davis in 2012. As, as an Anaconda Incorporated, it is also known as Anaconda Distribution or Anaconda Individual Version, with the other products from the company are Anaconda Team and Anaconda Enterprise Editions. Both are not free. For the installation of Anaconda, navigation to the PC of the following steps will be followed. Step 1. Download the Anaconda Navigator installation file from the web page www.anaconda.com. Distribution code. The following window will be displayed, and for the Windows we will download this file, and for this Apple or MacBook like this files are available. Installation of Anaconda. This is the steps to be involved. The Anaconda installation. Then after successful installation of Python, let us open this Python Anaconda Navigator. This following windows will be appear, and this window contains these cells like uh, navigation buttons like data cell, CD prompt, and Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, PowerShell, and Qt Shell, Spider, Data Soul like this. To run Jupyter Notebook Python code on Jupyter Notebook, we have to click on this notebook. Then the following window will be appear. In this window, we will see this is we will click on new in here Python 3 kernel, and then following window will be appear. Right, then write your first program on Anaconda Navigator. This window will be appear. Let us, without waiting, and let us go to the uh, Jupyter